There we go folks, it's arrived. We're very excited to get it unwrapped. Let's go inside. Okay, so unwrapping Simba mattress. So we have to push it down. There you can see, rolled up.
There's a box inside there, there's a little box in the bottom as well.
You get a little box. I'm sure this is your cutter and stuff. There's your little cutter. So cut it open safely without using a pair of scissors and damaging it. So you're cutting it straight through it with the supply tool. Okay. And we'll rub it now. See, it's well packaged. Without doing.
Yeah, because we're going to need to undo it. Yeah. That's it.
It needs to hold up, doesn't it? You can hear the air coming out as you put through it.
Yeah, it's starting to fill it now. It's working up.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Yeah, take the plastic off it. You need to take all the plastic off it.
I'll lift it over.
Yep. Right. So lift this bit, you just pull the plastic. That's it, just pull the plastic.
Too careful. Okay,
Twist it.
twist it round. That's it, isn't it? Is it the right way?
Yep, that's the right way. Just filming just to show where it's how it looks there. So it looks like it's underneath.
Yeah, and then the side. Got to leave it now for 5 to 6 hours.
Yep.
Enclosed in here is the instructions. Okay. And you can see from that we need 3 to 5 hours to make it self at home, because it's way off that at the minute. It's literally being put down. I'm very excited. Join us later and we'll come back and see how she's settled after 3 to 5 hours. Catch you later. As you can see, Simba claim you get the best night's sleep ever. But not necessarily with the mattress that they make and spend years making. It's the box that gives you the best night's sleep ever. Isn't it, Caitlin?
Yep.
Wow. We are just short of 3 hours in since the Simba hybrid has been on our bed. As you can see, still a few kinks here and here. And also still in the middle, stretching out. So we're getting towards the final hour now, where you can see it's nearly risen up. Soon be able to go on it. You see it's quite high. There's a bit of a little smell from it. That's to be expected, the chemical smell. I'm sure it'll go in time. So there's a kink there, you can see, and here as well. So there's a little bit there as well. And also listen.
I'm making it come.
You feel more support, it's a lot more firmer. A lot more firmer, yeah. So Caitlin is now on the Simba mattress. And Caitlin, can you demonstrate jumping on the Simba mattress, please?
Yeah.
Go on in. And again. And it doesn't move either, does it? Empty beaker and try jumping. Try jumping. Right, lay down. Lay down the other way, proper way. Right. Try tossing and turning. No movement, is there? You can see she's all ready for sleeping on tonight. I'm very excited. Let's hope my wife gets a good night's sleep, because that's what it's been about. It's very important. The nighttime view. We'll let you know how comfy it is tomorrow morning. So here I am, sat on the bed, ready for our first night's sleep on the Simba hybrid mattress. We've tested it out, it's very soft, it's very firm at the same time, as crazy as it sounds, and there's little movement. We've done a few tests either side. So we're quite excited to see this, how we helps us sleep tonight, especially my wife, who struggled really badly to sleep lately. So that's really important. And yeah, we'll let you know tomorrow morning. See you later, guys. So that was the first night's sleep. Yeah, felt really comfortable. My wife was impressed with it. She often gets up during the night and doesn't return. She can't get comfortable in the bed. Yeah, I'd recommend it. Although it was only our first night, and apparently Simba tell me that you don't see a difference really for about 30 days. That's when you basically notice if you're sleeping better or not. So we'll check in about a week's time. As you can see, my granddad loves the Simba mattress as well, don't you, baby? Don't you? So after 9 nights, just checking in with you all. Our sleep has dramatically improved, especially my wife's. She's not getting out of bed like she was. She's sleeping like an angel. I'm not just saying it, you wouldn't think a mattress would make such a difference to your life, but it does. So £700, it sounds a lot of money for a mattress. You can go get a mattress from as low as £100. Trust me, I did it. I went on Groupon. Don't. You can buy these in instalments. They're affordable to everybody. They will change your life. Think how much money you spend on cars. Think how much money you spend on technology. You're in your bed nearly 7-8 hours a day. You're laid on your bed. This is why we have back problems and muscular problems. It stems from, generally, not just exercise and what you do, but how you sleep. These are the way forward, and I can't recommend them enough to anybody. We'll check in again after another week or so. But we are 9 nights now into the 30 that Simba promised you would see a difference. We are already seeing a difference. And like I said, we see more alert, especially my wife. And yes, Simba, buy this mattress. Fantastic. Catch you later.